Okay, so here's a quick look at our pumpkin candy holder. I'm using the half plastic ornament balls here. I'll have links for them below the video. I'm using 65-pound cardstock as well as glitter cardstock here. I've already cut this out on my Cricut machine. I have more instructions for uploading files to Design Space to cut them out. And I'm basically just piecing things together real quick here to make sure I've got everything aligned where it's supposed to go and I don't accidentally swap the wrong sides. So just take a second to do that. I'm going to be using Barely Art glue here for the small pieces, and then I'm also going to be using 3D foam strip tape as well, but we're going to start with the glue here, and we're just going to glue on all of the small decorative pieces and the details of our pumpkin. Alright, so the top of our pumpkin piece is done here, and then I have the base of my pumpkin as well. Now the base of the pumpkin here actually has a perforation so that you can easily open the back and get the candy. I have other videos where I've already covered all of that in Cricut Design Space, so I'll just link those below for you if you need more information. I'm going to be using my plastic ornament ball here to put some candy in. You could always put other things in it as well. If you don't want to do candy, you can do small little toys. And I'm going to position that on top of the base piece, and then we're going to use our 3D foam strip tape here to add it to the back of the top of the pumpkin, the top piece. And I just go around with these strips, kind of keep it a little closer to the circle cut out. I like using these strips because they are easy to sort of mold to the shape of what you're working with. You can also trim them down. So if you need to adjust the size of them easily, you can do that as well. So I'm using a weeding tool here to help me get those paper backs off of my foam tape here, so that can be helpful. So I'm just going to use my weeding tool for that and peel all those off. Alright, so the top is ready to go here, and I have my base here with my candy and my plastic ornament balls sitting on top of it. We're going to shift it until everything's aligned, and then push that tape down around the ball. And there's a little lip on the ball that helps keep it in place, and if you find that you need it to stay more in place than it is, you can always add a little hot glue carefully. There is a perforated back on this, so you can easily open that and get the candy on the inside. So it makes it super easy. Like I said, I have another video on that more in depth with my other candy holders. I have puppy dog candy holders, kitty candy holder, and some other designs as well. I have Christmas candy holders, so make sure you check those out. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at our pumpkin candy holder. Don't forget to check out the templates as well as our turkey candy holder, which is linked below as well. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I hope to see you in my member vault. Of course, we offer many free things on Abbi Kirsten Collections, but I also have a premium member vault where you can access every design I have ever made. There is tons of seasonal crafts in there, Cricut tutorials, printables, cheat sheets, SVG files, and so much more waiting for you. So I hope you will hop on board with that. You can find all the information below, and there are loads of more creative ideas and tutorials waiting for you. We add new projects every single month, so there's always something new every time you log in. I hope to see you there. Bye for now.